Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy crypto from your trust wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, the steps are pretty much clear and simple. All you gotta do is simply tap open your trust wallet. Once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you gotta do now is simply tap on buy crypto. So once you tap on buy crypto, you can simply go in the search bar and type anything like BTC or any of the crypto you want to purchase. So once you have typed it in, you will end up in this interface where you need to type in the amount about how much you want to purchase. So once you have fixed the amount and typed it in, all you gotta do is simply tap on buy with credit card. After you have tapped on buy with credit card, you will be reverted to MoonPay because MoonPay is an app from which you can buy on the Trust wallet. So by using the help of MoonPay, you need to simply type in your email address and follow the on-screen prompts, which will allow you to buy it with the help of your credit card on the Trust wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.